Hello Explorer, it's Nat from the Traveling Foxes and welcome to my channel. Today we're embarking on a journey to Carabao Island, a hidden gem located just off the coast of Boracay. We'll be taking a scenic 2-hour cruise aboard a 42-foot sailing vessel where we'll experience the island's unspoiled beauty and unique charm. Carabao Island is known for its pristine beaches, lush forests, and crystal clear waters. It's a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life, where you can relax and unwind in a peaceful paradise. So grab your sunscreen and join me as we explore Carabao Island and discover its hidden treasures. Alright, we have made it to Carabao Island Beach Camp.
Welcome to Carabal
Hello.
Island Beach Camp.
Hello. Hi.
The Carabao.
Thank you. Ooh.
Come on.
I'll get this. Thank you.
This one. Ma'am, some
You? Sarap.
sarap. Wow, you know how to speak Tagalog.
So our room is ready and it's mango. Thank you. Alright, we have made it to our little glamping spot and I'm super happy that there is aircon. And then our toilet, let's have a quick look at the toilet. Oh, nice, this is enough. I swear this is just enough. Look at that. All you ever need for a glamping spot. And what I'm really happy about is that, you know, in most glamping spots where the toilet is separate, at least here, you have your own personal toilet. And they also have upstairs.
Yeah, go ahead and explore the room.
Up here, there's a double bed and 2 single beds. You fit perfectly. And I like how the whole place still kind of has that nipa smell. So it's very like rustic, legit,
Very authentic.
authentic Filipino experience. Holding the GoPro while walking down the stairs is a bit of a challenge, but here we are. All right, maybe I'll freshen up and then we will explore the rest of the resort.
Allergic sa food. Ay, sa seafood.
Not allergic,
Chicken
but I don't
okay lang.
like seafood.
Thank you. Takot kayo sa ano?
Takot sa
Tipo ng chicken.
All right, lunchtime guys. Alright, so our first agenda today, it's now around 3:30 p.m. is We are going to be checking out the underwater world in front of this glamping spot because apparently it's really beautiful. So we can't just say everything's beautiful, we have to check it out and show you guys so you know if it's something you wanna check out or not. I am currently with free divers from Iloilo, so I'll just watch them do their thing. Yeah, I'm gonna bring the camera and just record them do their magic. Wow guys, so just came from free diving and it was absolutely fun, especially with the professionals. And now just walking down the beach because it's sunset and you could see that it's so serene. There's absolutely no one here except for some of the locals working on their resorts, but it's only a 45-minute boat ride from Boracay. And you can see that it's a completely different environment because I mean even me, I didn't know that Carabao Island existed and that you could actually stay here, and there are actually a few different resorts here. I didn't know that. I guess this information, if it's new to you, then I'm glad if I could help. So if you're looking for that serene escape, especially if you are visiting an area near Boracay, then Carabao Island is it. So this is actually part of Romblon, but it's very near. And on the way back, I think I'll be going directly to Caticlan. November 2024, that's when I'm here. Absolutely amazing sunset. You get the same sunset view as Boracay, but you don't get the crowds. That's the plus. And the camping resort that we have, super peaceful. Just a change of scenery if you want a bit of both. Hi! How was it?
Cramp.
Ano ba yan?
Dalawang araw walang tulog.
Diba, how was the diving? Did you enjoy it?
Yes. we did.
Compared to other places here, like, nice siya.
Nice siya. Tapos yung other places naman may cave. Underwater cave.
Yeah. Nice.
So pwede tayo mapunta doon.
Yes, sige. What are we doing?
We are going to the biggest telescope in the Philippines, so we can look at the stars.
That's what Chris said. We are going to go to the biggest telescope in the Philippines, which is located here in Carabao Island in Romblon, Philippines. So it's a bit of a dark hike or walk. We are currently staying in Carabao Island Beach Camp, and as you can see, this is a night activity. Hopefully no dogs. So as you can see, it's very dark now. It's a little past 8 p.m. but apparently this is one of the best times to go and look at the stars. So we're making our way there from the beach camp, and yeah, it's only like a 5-minute walk, so it's not too bad. I'd love to see it in the daytime though. Look, it looks nice, but can't see it.
It's just lights.
It's just lights.
Like a UFO.
It has its tape. So sometimes comet have two tapes. Just like this one, this comet 2013 for the comet Caticlan, which was sealed by John Natalie.
Sa birthdays po pala kayo nakaka-attend.
Yes.
And that's a wrap on our Carabao Island adventure. I hope you enjoyed exploring this little slice of paradise with me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to Nat from the Traveling Foxes for more awesome Philippine adventures. See you in my next video.